everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It has been now a year since I bought this used 2017 Ford Mondeo. And well, how has it been? And by the way, don't you just love winter? I washed the car a few minutes ago, drove 2-3 kilometers to this spot, and that's how it looks now. Salt, dust, and snow. Geez, just gotta love it. Okay, so I will start with what you are probably the most interested in. What have I done in terms of repairs and maintenance? Well, a year ago when I bought it, it had roughly, I think, 224,000 kilometers on the clock. Now it has, not sure if you can see it, but it has 253,000 now. So that's almost 30,000 kilometers a year, which is a lot of driving for me. Well, but after all, I did go to Estonia twice and to Austria once, so yeah, it kind of does add up. But anyways, so far I have had 2 oil changes done, and the third one is coming right up. Also, air filter, fuel filter, cabin air filter. Basically, that's it. But there are 2 issues that I'll have my mechanic look at during the next oil change. One of which is actually a very common problem on the Mondeo. It is, surprise, I'm losing coolant. Actually, might as well open the hood. Okay, I'm not sure whether it's burning it or it's leaking out somewhere. Usually on Mondeos, it's leaking out. But yeah, as I said, I am not completely sure. And again, it's slightly below minimum. Oh well. And during these past 29,000 kilometers, I had to add somewhere around 1.5 liters of coolant. So it's not losing much, I guess, but that's still something that needs to be taken care of. And the other issue is sometimes after a cold start, well, it happens maybe 1 out of 10 times, after a cold start, when I start driving, the first 5 minutes I might get a couple of warning lights. ABS not working, traction control not working, hill start not working, and automatic parking not working. But after a minute or 2 of driving, or when I turn the engine off and on again, those warning lights disappear. And they are more frequently to happen when it's wet outside. Not like now when it's -4 or 5 when it's freezing, but when it's somewhere around 0. Which leads me to believe that moisture is getting somewhere in where it's not supposed to. I managed to shoot a short video of when these warning lights disappear. Usually the ABS light is the first one to go, and then the traction control light. But I haven't managed to shoot a video of when they appear, because as I said, it happens, well, sometimes. This winter, probably 5 or 6 times, but it's already the mid of February, so yeah. Now, as I said, this started happening this year, this winter. But last year, early spring-ish, I was driving in a driveway. It had massive potholes, but I was going really, really slow and slightly applying the brakes. I was going maybe 10 kilometers an hour when suddenly ABS kicked in. For no reason, and the brake pedal started vibrating. So that might have something to do with the issue I'm getting now. I did connect a OBD scanning tool, and it does tell me that there's something wrong with the front left speed sensor. So, but yeah, as I said, I will have my mechanic take a look at it, and maybe it just needs replacing, hopefully. And yeah, in terms of problems, well, that's basically it. Yeah, well, although there is one more thing weird going on, I'm I'm not sure if you'll be able to see since it's light outside. Well, this thing right here, I'm not sure how you call it in English, headlight leveling knob, it's currently on 0.5, and there's a reason for that. Yeah, I'll just put it to 0, start the car, and see if it does it now. Ah, geesh. Headlights on. I don't think it's doing it now, but when the leveling knob is on 0, this lens is slightly wobbling. I do have video of it. I will attach it to this video, but yeah, it's a slight nuisance, I want to say. Not exactly a problem, but it is what it is. And yeah, that's basically it. Sometime later I will create a review video where I compare this Mark V Mondeo to my previous Mark IV Mondeo, well, in terms of fuel economy, ride quality, and stuff like that. But for now, I'm gonna say thank you for watching. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. So, this thing is set to 0, and my headlight is difficult to notice. It's jumping up and down. Slightly, but... you can't really see, but... weird. Oh, it's tough. Okay.